this is full of water. This is not draining. I have tried to clean it out that way down there, and it's not draining. I'm back here. I'm pulling this lining out, and I need to get in here. There is a drain that is most likely clogged. So we're gonna rip all this out and we're gonna get down in there. This is dumb. The videos online showed that there was a hinge and there was a drain beside it, like right here or right here. But my drain actually is not there because in those cars, they had 4 doors. Mine's only a 2-door. So I don't have access to this from right here anyway. My drain is down in there. Let's see. Yeah, right there. That's the drain. So we're gonna get a coat hanger, a metal coat hanger, and we're gonna try to wiggle it down through to see if we can get it to drain. Coat hanger, drain. Whoa, how far does that sucker go? Okay. Bend it some more. Flashlight. It isn't reaching. We might have to MacGyver. Let's see, is it going straight? It's going straight down. We're getting somewhere. We're just gonna keep wiggling it until it drains. Because we've got it dripping down there now. It's dripping faster. Yay! She's draining! Okay, I ended up sticking it up through the bottom. I was trying both. I started down here and wasn't getting anywhere. So I moved up here. I wasn't getting too far, but doing them both together got it loose.